Let's discuss about federal system in India. So we'll discuss federation definition, federal definition, and federalism. Why India is adapted federal features and non-federal features in India, Indian Constitution, federal and unitary features in India, and difference between the federal form of government and the unitary form of government, and the difference between federal features and unitary features, which means the non-federal features. And the PY keys for the both films and mains. Let's see what is federalism. Federalism, it is derived from the foedus, Latin word. This is Latin word foedus, which means treaty or agreement. So federation is the new state political system which is formed the treaty or agreement between the various units. Various units in the sense states. So types. National government is known as the federal government or central government or unitary government. Unitary government or national government or central government. National government, federal government, union government, central government. These are all the same, only one type. And another one, region government is known as the state government or provincial government. Any provincial government, regional government, state government. This is the type 2 of the government systems. So for example, for the unitary model for this, Britain, France, Japan, China, Italy, Belgium, Norway, Sweden, Spain. These are all the unitary model of system, form of the government that they are following. Federal form of government, US, Switzerland, Australia, Canada, Russia, Brazil, Argentina. These are all the federal mode of government. Let's see the difference between federal government and unitary government. The reference is from the Lakshmikant. So federal government, it is a dual government. One is the national government, another one is the regional government. One is at the central level, another one is at the state level. It has the written constitution. Unitary government is only the single government. Both center and state follow the only one government. There is no state government here. But the federal government, it is the dual government. So constitution may be written. That example is the France is following, and unwritten government, it is Britain is the following for that single government, France and Britain. And they do have the written constitution has the France, unwritten constitution followed by the Britain. And the federal system, division of powers between the nation and state, because it is divide the powers to government. So one is the center, another one is the state. So of course it should have two governments, so powers has to be. Here there is no provision such powers has to divide. So all powers are vested in the national government. Only national government has the full powers. There is no any special powers to the states, which means local governments. Supremacy of the constitution. In the federal government, constitution has the supreme power. In the unitary government, supreme power lies with the lies not with the supreme power, not lies with the constitution. So the for example Japan and Britain. Government supreme power might be with the someone else, which means the queen or king or like that. The constitution may be rigid, the France, and flexible, Britain. But in the federal system, it is the rigid constitution. It is always independent judiciary. So there are three organs: legislative, executive, and judiciary. Judiciary always has the independence in the federal system. Executive and judiciary, these are worked together. Bicameral legislation, which means the Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. There are two houses: Council of States, House of the People. These two are the different bicameral legislation. Judiciary may be independent, or sometimes it is not independent. And the legislation is bicameral in the Britain, but unicameral in the China. China has only the one house. There is no second house. So this is the difference between them. Let's see next. Federal and unitary features in India.